Watch it, lady. Watch it. Mga yun, wala kimo ah. Oh, I thought it was chow mein eh. It's Jang Mao. Yeah. You went to go and my camera went flying. Samoa to lie. I don't know all of this. La palele. Halileo la simia. Vai tata avale te buapa lona pa o I. Ah yes, olele si lokulele. Oh la la. Ya Faye po nata siya unali. Sunga vai oi que o copyright não precisa Italian pizza, Italiano pizza. Oh hey, that's where the crabbers was. Ah, Samoa to lie. The words of my voice is horrible. Yeah. Hey, didn't he come so close to us? Scrape our car. This is what they want to pull down. This. Yeah, the malo back in the days are, but they want to pull it down. Galo Faye, Talo Faye, Talo Faye. Okay, I'm just patting you because one day you won't be here if they get their way. Okay. What's that? Maota. Young William. That's massive. Wow. There, have a look, guys. Maota Young William. Okay, we're next. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is that beautiful building. Even though it's old, hey, it's history, mate. History. And the cops over here. This is a police station, Flossie. We'll call it a police station. Oh. Oh, I think we came here one time and had fish and chips. Spotto. Yeah. Vai, dunga maunga lai yai fale mange ya maka mai lalo. Yeah, those ones with the rich money. With the rich money, live on a hill, and then they look down and order little guys. Hey, little guys, but be happy. Be happy with life. Be happy with what God gives you. Okay. See, now my sister can't get that song out of her head. That's why she's singing it. Choo! See? Okay, we're going to the hospital, guys. My sister forgot her medicine and she needs to take it. So let's see, and let's hope the hospital has it or they prescribe something. Otherwise, I'm going to ring my uncle, Tuila Epa, and say, Uncle, look at them. Not listening. Yeah, I don't know. Probably you just need a doctor to prescribe it or something. Hey, it's Fale Mataanga Museum, I think, Museum Samoa. First time I've seen that. How many times we've come here? I wonder if the family still has that petrol station there or not. Samoa to lie. See, no sounded like a cat got strangled. That's that little hut that I like. I like the size of it. Oh, this man with his bike at the bus stop. Oh, does anyone know where is it? Ansel Hotel? Insel Hotel around here. That's where me and my sister's gonna stay, and we have no idea where that is. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Are you sure it's not there? Behind? I don't know. Oh, they got them some lunch. They got them some lunch. Huh? Wait. Okay. You want me to ask someone? Okay. Yeah, but there's a car behind us. Do you think it's down here or up there a bit? Where? Down here? Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay. Don't be bitters. How do you? Oh, yeah, these guys might know. No, they don't. They won't know. Oh, yeah. And also health clinic. Why don't we go and see the health clinic?
Get away back from
Lynn's getaway. Lynn. Get away. Hi. Lynn's getaway. Quality accommodation. Is that a wash house? It's a laundry, eh? Samoa. Lynn's super. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look, these ditches are dangerous, eh? Man, imagine if you're reversing it. Over here? No, it's a health. It says that one probably have to go around the corner. Insel, we are lost, guys. Anyone know where Insel Hotel? Could it be this one? Could it be? We have to stop. Okay. Is this Insel? No, the building is this. No, this can't be it. So, we've never come past here before, eh? The pickled lamb. Oh, big ditch. Oh, shivers. Just be careful those big rocks. Are you sure we're not almost there? You stopped. Okay. We should have just asked him because there was no cars behind us. Okay, we might be nearly there. Watch out, sis. You're going on the other side of the road. Oh my gosh, policeman! Look at my sister, she's not driving properly. Policeman. That person's waiting. Who goes first? Us? Yes? No? Hey! Okay, we're lost. We are double lost, guys. Oh, it's a catering. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Whippersnapper. Freddy's rental. And then there's Freddy's Mini Mart. And then Coco Banana. Coco Banana. Dee. There's two dogs on the road. Get off, doggy dog. Oh, that car's behind us. Oh, let's just go. Go. Yeah. Hello. Sawa van Molly. What's that? That's good.
Of le motor le Insel.
Insel, ik ga lo salfa belle kuma ya. Le pes hotel, le hotel ke le.
Ai, le pe papa, le fa le pa.
I
Can we go inga?
en fainga e alo I.
Ia.
Le awala le pi o
Ano
na
lang,
lo sa o ya.
Iya,
Le fa sa o mai o kero sa
Oi,
o.
asanga ba yo le siku? Oi, ya.
Okay.
Sai lava.
Tai lava. Ya, mira le, de wale ang ay kaka si solo. See, you were driving and I was filming and I wasn't looking. Oh, look at him and his big dreadlocks. Dreadlock Rasta. Hey, let him reverse, mate. Let him reverse. Share the road. Look at his dirty looks. Hey. Wait for us. Okay. Es comprendo aumento. Yeah. You hope you see your face up. Yeah, the hospital. Yeah, go around. Yeah. Beep. Don't park, mate. No double park. Oh, so there's the Balangis that come here. They must come here to learn. That's good. Well, they come here to training, you know. They'll one day be doctors. But you should come here and see if they can help you with your injections. Okay, take 2, guys. Take 2. And that's Lynn's shop. Lynn's got a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, she said white gate. I thought that was a police station or something because it's got a crown. Okay. Yeah, that must be at that white fence. Hey, yes, it is. You know that yellow building? Yeah, it says Insel. Yeah. Well, hang on, sis. Yeah, go for eat for go. There. Insel Fairman Hotel. Oh, Fisa. I think it'll be here, so we should have parked over there. Now we gotta park far away. Yeah, that must be the office. I don't know. Are you allowed to park there? Woman. Oh, be careful. Oh, you're gonna hit the front. Oh. You can reverse back. And then I'll ask him what's the time. What's this? Okay. Bukas if you're from Molly.
Koe lusu fulu ki sui wa lusu kasi le sumalua.
Oi, o le fe ma puki I le kasi. Yeah.
No, they'll find my puki. Ali mafia chicken. Yeah. It said chicken is one.
Ona na paka mama ya.
Bengi lu aku.
Iya, ma ako ko.
Anak itu iyo.
Yeah.
Kela upa.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, because they already took out the deposit, which was 109. Okay, we're in our room. We're in our room, guys. But I just want to show you. That's our car parked out there. Our little table we're going to sit outside. And our suitcase, they look at it. Don't look. Okay. So, this is the kitchenette. Okay. This is the kitchenette, and we did not break this. Okay. Oh, yes. What kind of coffee do they have? Ooh la la. Oh, okay. Okay, it is what it is. And there's bed number 1. That's Team Flowsy. And my bed. That's Team Faye. Yeah. And then we got this big towel that's folded into a shape of a boat or a hat that I used to fold back in the days when I was a child. But this is a new one, look. do this, and then you do this, and you get yourself like an army hat. Hiya, see? Okay, let's check out the bathroom. I think this is the closet. Okay, what's that? What's that? Come and hold this. Come hold this, face this to me, sis. Wait. Wait.
What are you doing?
I'm coming out of the closet.
Oh.
Thank you. Yeah. Just only jokes, just jokes. Okay, this is the bathroom where all the magic happens. Ta-ra! Okay, that's enough. You know, and just get a sharp knife now and trying to be creative, but no. What a nice used door. See, that's what all doors should be like in homes, and you know, so we can fit all your wardrobe in, your stuff you move in. Does the tall boy doesn't work? Oh, this is a lazy boy. Yeah, lazy doesn't work. Oh, it's broken. It's broken. Yeah, okay. Guess what, guys? So far, so good. Love Samoa. Hey, I love that filming of all the fish. Guys, I love it. Then after that, we got some fresh fish and chips. Ooh la la, ooh la 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 la. Anyway, I'm gonna go into the suitcase, get my stuff out so I can wash my face, brush my teeth, comb my hair, and go for your more. But did you have a sleep on the places, little one, eh? Okay, we both had a little sleep. But now we're going to have a little sit down, have a little breather, and then go and look for my sister her medicine. Okay, guys? Okay. If you don't... Hey, I don't snore. Okay? Yeah. See you later, guys. See you later. Really tired. Fuck.